What's up, YouTube? What's up? What's up? This is what we're going to do, y'all. Look, I got some salmon. And now, y'all, look, I'm stuffed up because these allergies is killing me at this particular point in time. But anyway, I got 2 pieces of filet salmon right here, y'all. We're going to go ahead and make us some salmon and some Creole creamy sauce. And you're going to love it. The only thing that I'm going to basically season this salmon up with is some Old Bay. I'm not going to use nothing else for this here salmon. Just some Old Bay. So I'm just going to put it on. I did pat dry my salmon. So all I want to do is just basically pat this in. And I'm going to flip it over. And I got skinless salmon. And I just want to season up the other side. Pat that in. And I just want to move this on over to the side. And then we're going to go ahead and get this baby in the pan. But let's go ahead and make our sauce real quick, all right? All right, YouTube fam. So I'm going to put a little oil in my pan because I'm going to go ahead and sear up these salmons real quick. I know I said I was going to do that sauce, but I'm going to go ahead and knock these salmons out. I just got this here, my favorite little skillet. Yeah, this is my favorite little skillet. Had this thing for years in my baby. Lord have mercy, these allergies got me. How many of y'all have allergies out there? Comment below. Let me know if these allergies is hitting you bad like it's hitting me. I tell you. Y'all please forgive me. So with this skillet being hot, we're going to go ahead and place in our salmon. Just want to brown it up on both sides. All right. We're looking good, y'all. So look, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right. Comment below and let me know what type of other flavors or recipes you would like to see in the future. And give this video a thumbs up. Boy, that sounds so good. But look here, don't go nowhere, all right? Because we're going to go ahead and come right back. All right, YouTube family, what I did, I let this cook on one side for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip this baby right on over. I'm going to let this other side cook for about 3 minutes. And it smells good, y'all. Only thing I added was just that Old Bay seasoning. Nothing else. And gave it a nice little sear for 3 minutes. After this 3 minutes, and set the timer real quick, we're going to go ahead and move to the next step, and that is us making our Creole Cajun sauce. Creole creamy sauce. You're going to love it, man, for real, for real. Don't go nowhere. All right, YouTube fam. So these babies are done. I'm finna go and take these on up out of here real quick. That's my white piece right there. And they looking good, y'all. I'm telling you, they looking real nice. Ugh, look good. All right. So let's go ahead and make that cream sauce real quick. All right, YouTube family. So I still got the pan. Didn't clean it out. I just cleaned the stove. I got 2 tablespoons of butter, probably about a half a cup of chopped celery, about a half a cup of tomatoes. I'm sorry, half a cup of red bell peppers, and about a half a cup of onions. All right, just want to take and throw that butter in there along with these veggies. Only thing I want to do now is just basically brown these babies up, saute them a little bit, not long, but just a little bit. Now this fragrance up in this kitchen coming from these right here is smelling some kind of daggone delicious, I'm telling you. The only thing I'm going to do is just let this cook for at least around about 3 to 5 minutes. That's all we need to do, really. Get up some of this flavoring from out of this pan. It smells so daggone good, y'all. It do. and it's looking good. Alright, so I'm going to keep on moving this thing right along, y'all. So what we're going to end up doing now, you can use fresh garlic. I know how some of y'all feel out there about this jarred garlic. Hey, whatever floats y'all's boats, that's what you do. I'm going to take about a tablespoon of this garlic going in there. Whatever floats y'all boats, that's what y'all do. You know, you want to use fresh garlic, go ahead and use it. And then I'm going to take some of this Creole season because we're making some Creole creamy sauce. And I'm not really measuring this thing. I'm not doing that, you know what I'm saying? But I'll give you guys some measurements. And then we're going to take some oregano, toss that on up in there. And let me just turn down my stove real quick. And then we're going to put in some salt. Get a little bit of salt up in here, just a little bit, not about a teaspoon. That's all we're gonna need, because we already got some of that flavor from that obey seasoning. Put some black pepper in there. Yes. Then we're gonna also toss in some paprika. We're gonna get some paprika up in this. Get this cake, get this creamy Creole sauce looking good. And we're gonna get this a nice little stir, y'all. And like it's gonna give us some nice color in our sauce. Alright, we're gonna keep it moving. We're gonna just stay here, we're gonna keep it moving. Alright. So next thing we're gonna do, I got some tomatoes, y'all, that I'm gonna use, and that's some mild Rotel tomatoes. I'm gonna go in there with about that and about that. Yeah, 2 tablespoons of work with that Rotel tomato. You can't go wrong with it. And another thing that I want to use is some of this sofrito tomato base. Now, if you want to use tomato paste, you could definitely go ahead and use it. I'm going with this because it's going to give me that flavor that I need, along with that tomato paste thickness. Okay. Now we're gonna mix this baby right on up. So let's do that real quick. Put my heat up a little on medium. My heat is on medium high right now. Okay. Just want to mix this up, y'all. I'm thinking this is gonna come together real nice, real nice, real nice. All right. It's gonna come together real nice, y'all. I'm telling you. If you can smell this, turn my heat up. My heat is on medium high, y'all. So it's on 5 if you have to gauge it or something like that. It's on 5. So I'm gonna go in here with some cream, some heavy whipping cream. Told y'all I'm gonna leave the measurements for you. Put a little bit. And then I'm gonna take some of this here beef broth. Yes, beef broth. What you want to use? Chicken? You can use chicken broth if that's what you want to use, but I'm going to use this beef broth because I got it on hand, and it's going to give me that spicy note that I want in it too. That's about it. Yeah. Let's get it. Spilling over to the side. We want to keep it in the pot. Let me use this spoon. We want to keep it in the pot. That's what we want to do. And turn my heat up just about medium-high heat. So I'm going to let this continue to cook in here now for at least about 3 minutes like this. And I'll be back. All right, YouTube family. After 3 minutes, this is what we're looking like, y'all. We looking like this right here. We almost done. We almost done. We almost done. Trust me. I'm not even going to prolong it for you guys no more. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this here Parmesan cheese, right? I got some of this shredded Parmesan cheese. And I just want to hit it, y'all. I want to hit this with that Parmesan cheese. A little bit more, you say? Okay. All right, you got me. You got to pull my leg. All right. And then once we throw in that Parmesan cheese, this is the last ingredients, that Texas Pete hot sauce. We're going to throw just a dib and a dab and a dab and a dib. Dib and a dab and a dab and a dib. And then we're going to mix this baby right on up. And we're going to let this go for 1 minute. I'm cutting my stove off right now. The stove is off. It is off. I'm going to let this heat do the rest. And from there, let's go ahead and plate up, y'all. Y'all ready? I know I am. I'm so hungry, but the sauce looking good. So let's go ahead and plate up right now. All right, YouTube fam. So right now I'm hungry. We got our salmon, and I got some balsamic rice, seasoned balsamic rice. I'm gonna take a nice little ladle of this here, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit it right on top of that. Give a little bit more. And it's looking good, y'all. Looking good. Cheese is dripping all over the place. Alright, let's see what she hitting on. Let's see exactly what she hitting on. Now with me, I'm sorry, but I just got to add just a little bit more salt to this here rice. I just got to add just a little bit. I want it to seep all up in there rice. I sure do. Now let's see what we hitting with. I'm gonna take a little bite of this here. And then I want to go ahead and get this mixed all up in that little Creole Cajun sauce. Scoop me some of that rice. Come right over here. And I want to pin that piece of fish down. And I want to go ahead and grab this bite right here, y'all. Hold on 1 minute. Let me grab. Hold on. Yeah, that's good. That's good right there. That's good right there, Coach. Oh, that's good. She don't need no more seasoning. That's good, that Coach. Put me in the game. I'm ready. Y'all do me a favor, because I got to go eat them. Get in the kitchen and make this sauce. Cook you a piece of salmon like that. You can microwave you some white rice. Make sure you season your rice. And I guarantee you, this is going to be heaven. It's like heaven. Heaven. Y'all, this is good. You got to try it. All right, y'all, I'm gone. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.